traveling through wasted time. Think of how I will rewrite every single song.
I don't think I've ever been more upset in my life. Yeah, dude, this is sketch, man. Yo, we're here at one of my favorite spots in by my area here in Fresyes, California. Climbing up to the descent. It is absolutely, I mean, look at that. Insane, bruh. But anyways, yeah, this one's super sick waterfall at the end of this, and it's so easy to get to. Like, even got, oh, never mind. Couldn't see the Wi-Fi symbol on there, eh? But this one's so easy to get to, so short. Literally this entire road right here is closed. 0 cars.
Look as far as I can see, but you don't want to talk to me, no. And not through words, not through songs, not through whispers.
All right. Waterfall time. This has got to be one of my favorite places in my area. Oh my goodness, I freaking love it. This whole road I'm currently on right now completely closed to cars. The only one allowed on here is like bikes, hikers, and service vehicles. So it's freaking sick, man. And it's like so short too, it's not hard at all. A lot of people hike this. But the hike is kind of like 7 miles. And I've done it before. It's just I'd rather bike it. Well, anyways, this is a short, really small descent into the waterfall right now. Really sandy and rocky, so you don't take it too hard, but we're just cruising. Because why take hard when you got a beautiful view like a waterfall? Ah! See? All those rocks, and it's a straight cliff off to the left. Oh yeah, stoked to get to the waterfall. Oh yeah, see, look at all that sand. It's always dirty, but it's alright. Oh, I freaking love this place so much. This place rips, dude. Woohoo! Look at that beast. Oh my goodness, California rips. Oh, told y'all I was short. Oh, jump. Jump. You got a cave right here on the right. Freaking dope. But look at that! I'm sorry that I'm shouting. It's just, come on, man. It really doesn't get better than that. Dude, this spot is so nice, and there's no one ever here. Like, the only time you see people here is the weekend, and I obviously chose a Monday to come out here, but yeah, man, I mean, come on. Ow! Dude, literally, I'm devastated. I don't think I've ever been more upset in my life at myself. So at the waterfall, when I was jumping on those bridges on the drone shots that you saw, bent my rim, popped my tire. Obviously I fixed the flat, but I have a bent rim, and I was gonna film this descent back down to my car, but now I'm running out of light and my tire is flat right now again. Oh well, dang it, I gotta get back to my car. It's getting dark. Dang it, dude. That's all I've got, man. That is like, that's like 20 PSI. Well, this is gonna be sketchy. Oh my, that's practically flat. That's flat. Now I'm gonna juice my brakes the whole way back. That's flat. No way there's a car. Yo, wait. Dude, so like, I'm flatted right now.
Kind of got somewhere I gotta be too.
Okay, so. Yeah, you know.
Yeah, you'll make it before dark.
Okay.
I'm in danger.
Yeah, I think I could just walk anyways. All right, man, you take care. Ah, man. Sorry, guys. I was gonna film this epic portion for you guys. Literally, this spot during golden hour is some of the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh my goodness, dude. I literally just don't trust this tire. The view is amazing. It's probably all dark for you guys though, because it's dark out here. Oh man. I'm trying to put my, like, I don't even know how to ride. Like, I'm not even on my saddle right now. I'm just like kind of gliding over my seat. Yeah, dude, this is sketch, man. I'm still pretty far from my car. And it only gets steeper. Ah! The only reason I'm riding is because I can, obviously, you ride faster than you can walk. Okay, I can feel my tire is even more flat now. But I'm probably like a mile and a half, no, almost 2 miles from my car right now. I'm no mechanic, but pretty sure you're not supposed to be doing this. I just don't have a choice. It's getting dark, man. I can feel every rock hitting my rim, which is not good at all. Okay. It's really bad now. Yeah. Nope. Okay. All right, guys. See ya. Because I'm going to start walking now. And I'm actually going to, you know, put some effort into this walk so I can get home and not die out here in the wilderness. So, what an adventure ride. I'm so sad because I don't know what this is going to do to my videos now. Now I'm going to have to get this fixed. I don't even know how to get it fixed. We'll get it figured out. Peace.